You understand what I'm saying? We here to talk, we here to embrace. You better meet every new African, every African that's here this weekend. You better not leave Texas and you don't know each and every one of them. Because this is your family. This is your family. When you sitting at home and they talking about, don't come in here with that black stuff. Let them know y'all don't even know my family global. My family all over the place. Man, you ain't alone. You ain't on no island.
That's right.
You home tonight.
That's right.
You home tonight. I want to welcome y'all. We love y'all. On behalf of Lone Star RBG, the Hoover Academy, Doc Book Shop, Temple of New African Unity. I want to welcome our family in here tonight. We give thanks to the ancestors. We give thanks to the Creator. Because there ain't never been a mighty African nation that didn't recognize the spiritual realm. Understand, we gotta embrace the shit that they can't control, that they don't understand. And they don't understand that part, man. They don't understand how me and you reading each other's minds right now.
Right now.
They don't understand that.
I love it. Black power. Black power.
So tonight, we here to celebrate the next level.
That's right.
The next level in this cultural battle.
Here we go.
Cause see, every now and then it just become a king's time. It become a king's time to rule, a king's time to rule. And we declaring that it's this king's time to rule on the cultural plane. When it comes to hip hop, when it comes to delivering that message to the streets, we feel like the God is right here in the DFW representing South Dino.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? Right here amongst us. We celebrating that tonight, y'all. Y'all done heard Black Power Cartel 1. You heard Black Power Cartel 2. But a lot of shit done happened since 2. A lot of shit done happened since 2.
Black power.
He here to give you an update tonight. Nah, for real.
Word.
We gotta celebrate our artists, man.
Black power.
Your ass jump up for Beyonce. Your ass jump up for Jay-Z. You better jump up for somebody speaking life into our community. Somebody raising up. Raising the gangsters up. Raising the hustlers up. Y'all better show some love. I'm gonna get his mic up. I'm gonna get his mic up right now to a Lone Star RBG General. Y'all show some love. Mr. Tookie Hoover, Big Shade. Clowning their ass. They didn't think this shit was gonna happen. They thought we was bullshit. And then when y'all see when Preem placed that shit, said we here. Motherfuckers couldn't even believe it. Now everybody, oh, I wish I was here. I wish I was on our way. But everybody here tonight, they ain't with. Motherfuckers saying that money, sacrifice that shit to come to Lone Star RBG. Motherfucker. Black power in this motherfucker tonight. Shit. We got Florida RBGs in this motherfucker. Florida RBGs. Black power. Black power. Y'all say shit. We got Milwaukee RBGs in this motherfucker tonight. Milwaukee RBGs. Black power. Black power. Black power. Hell, motherfucking day. Shit. God damn. We got Kelly in there too? We got Kentucky in this motherfucker. We got Kentucky. This motherfucker. Black power. Black power. This gonna fuck your head up. Cause we got bloody London RBGs in this motherfucker tonight. We got bloody London in here. Black power. Black power. Black power. Yeah. This hard shit. This shit for the G's. This shit for the street niggas. The motherfucking G's. That's what that RBG shit is. Revolutionary bread gangster. Ain't no ifs, ands, or buts about lost the RBG shit. Y'all feel me? But let's chill for a minute. Alright? Alright? Cause I got BPC V3 loaded up. Some hot shit. Alright? A lot of y'all motherfuckers already know me. Big said Mr. Tookie Hoover. And for the people that don't know me, I'm Big said Mr. motherfucking Tookie Hoover. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm on the front line with this Lost RBG shit. But before I go on and start bringing my tracks on, I gotta give a shout out to this young nigga, man. I ain't gonna lie, this funny. He like one of my new favorite artists, man. This motherfucker came all the way from Atlanta. Atlanta RBGs, man. I got my boy A-Wax in this motherfucker, man. A-Wax. You know what I'm saying? A-Wax, get your ass up here, my nigga. A-Wax, get your ass up here. Because firstly, because I'm the type of brother, man, we got to support all our artists. You feel what I'm saying? We have to. I gotta bring these brothers on stage with me to rock with me tonight, just so y'all see their faces. Because we the front line for this shit. You feel me? Ain't nobody spitting this shit the way we spit. These motherfuckers out here talking that bullshit, talking that old money power, that bullshit. That shit ain't shit. Florida. I got another. This brother right here is responsible for a lot of dead prayer shit. Y'all feel me? A lot of dead prayer shit. You feel me? This stick man, #1 man. Y'all feel me? Man, I got my big bro up in here, man. Tahir RBG. Straight from Florida. Y'all know that Asian ass nigga? Who dropped that Asian ass nigga when Nicki Minaj had Malcolm with the picture with the AK peeping out the window, and she started talking about looking ass nigga. And my man came in with the Asian ass nigga. Addressed their ass. You feel me? Y'all already know, man. I got y'all know we got the motherfucking 7-star general in this motherfucker. Sarah Sue Sunny. Black power this motherfucker. Black power. Yeah, black power. Black power. Black power. Black power. And on that note, welcome to Lost RBG. Shout out to my nigga Prane, man. All y'all know Prane from Facebook. Supreme Rock. Who got on Umar Johnson ass? Umar Johnson didn't address what he was gonna do with the money, but he addressed the nigga who was on his ass, asked him, nigga, what you gonna do with the money now? He addressed that nigga, but he didn't address all of us asking us, Umar, what you gonna do with the money? But he addressed my nigga right here. You feel what I'm saying? Supreme Rock, who be on their ass on Facebook. I'm not gonna lie. 50% of this shit probably wouldn't even go down if it wasn't for this man. I mean, straight like that. For real, for real. And then, I gotta get one more shout out, then we're gonna get this motherfucker started. Two more. Ali Africa, where your ass at, man? Get your ass up here, man. Don't you do that, nigga. Get your ass the black cracker smacker. Quick to crack on the motherfucking cracker. You know what I'm saying? Shit. This my big bro right here. Shit. Y'all feel me? Y'all know Baba Amin, our spiritual advisor. You know, because we hop on that raw shit quick. And it be Baba that come to us with reason and understanding and overstanding and understanding and understanding, so we can be like that motherfucking brick for that pyramid. We just stand and be firm. You feel what I'm saying? Don't pay nobody move us. You feel me? We all packed up together like fucking pyramids. Can't be moved. You can't even slide a piece of paper in this motherfucker. You feel me? Alrighty. Y'all ready to go in? This first motherfucking track, man, it's called Pop. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, I ripped this shit out. The track come from some cracker on YouTube. I ripped this shit, fuck the nigga, I'm gonna take that beat. Just like Pac said, y'all stole for us, so we gonna steal from y'all too. You know what I'm saying? So this first track, man, it's called Prom. I wrote this shit on some like trying to reach the young. Cause y'all know how they be on that rah-rah shit, but the music don't have no message in it. You know what I'm saying? So I said, man, let me see if I can grab one of their tracks and rock it RBG style. So this is the first track. And I got my big bro on that motherfucking side right so set. Y'all feel me now? Hold on. DJ, you ready? Hold on. Everybody hold on. This is my DJ. DJ 720. Everybody say go DJ, go DJ, go.
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 Alright, this problem, y'all. Listen to it. Let me know what y'all think.
But it was allergy, it's always been these pepper woods. It's always been these pepper woods.
Always been these pepper woods.
They've been doing these blue ass slices.
Always been these pepper
Out
woods.
here, niggas is doing some, but these crackers is doing many of these killers. You understand what I'm saying? And we...
Cut him up, some DJ. I ain't about to perform this motherfucker now. RBG that won. Y'all just feedback and you know what y'all think. Y'all feel me? Here we go.
You know what?
Y'all know what? Bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. I say, what up, blood? What up, blood? What up, blood? To my gangsta niggas. Bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem.
They gonna be shit out of
Bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. I say, what up, blood? What up, class? What up, thug? And my gangsta niggas. Yeah. What he say? Bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Okay. Say plug it out wrong. Shoot the blood from the packers on the coppers. Jordan over Dickies, never know. I got the squeeze, nigga, fuck them boppers. RBG is the team with the choppers. Black Papa cartel, niggas got dollars. Put the grind king, bitch, I'm too hard to swallow. Follow, Mr. Tookie Hoover down the yellow brick roads. Pick a G gold, then you don't get exposed for the dollars. RBG is the new fucking monsters. Cut from the car with the black messiahs. Gotta get it, fuck niggas who ain't down with it. Hey, ball niggas screaming bitches. So run your vibes, niggas, like it hard hustle, niggas ain't legitimate. Who are the little niggas on the great flip?
Them fans come on. Them fans come on. But we gon' need them.
Nigga, that's my hood. Young gladiators on the grind. Hey, we gotta get these youngsters to unify their lives up. Bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Hey, bitch, is a motherfucking problem. Bitch, is a motherfucking problem. I say, what up, blood? What up, cuz? What up, blood? My gangsta niggas. What up, blood? What up, yeah? Bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. 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 I say, what up, blood? What up, cuz? What up, blood? My gangsta niggas. Mr. fucking Tookie Hoover. It's a triple D, gotta see another new
Sound like you.
so about my students. Trained in the blood for you losing. Gotta see this edition of that Mary Jane. Niggas fucking up behind, they all sound the same. Niggas from the ghetto, yeah, they feel my pain. I'ma do the rain dance, trying to make it rain. Hey, look at the dollars they fall. Hey, now look at the dollars they fall. Hey, now look at the dollars they fall. We ain't getting no money with y'all. My double cover phone cup filled up. Now nigga draped up like King Tut. Middle finger up, cause ain't no one to trust. Niggas got the reality fucked up. Make them label heads, got a big set. Red back and green down, shaking my dread. Niggas steady stacking my bread. Hustling, God, so I get
I ain't never seen you out of your petite. How you doing, man?
Left to the politician in your breath. You ain't saying shit, you ain't saying the same shit. Mr. Tookie Hoover. This is the guy to the man that believes it. Triple D, RBGs is the fucking truth. Niggas is the fucking truth. Y'all start RBGs is the fucking truth. Black Power! Black Power! Yeah, y'all know what? Black Power! Bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Bitch, we a motherfucking problem. Bitch, we a motherfucking problem. Bitch, we a motherfucking problem. Let's say what up, blood? What up, cuz? What up, thug? And my Cincinnati, man. Hey, y'all know I keep giving shout outs.
Yeah, thank you.
Cause Cincinnati RBGs in this motherfucker too. Yeah. Cincinnati RBGs in this motherfucker. All the way from Cincinnati. You feel me? Hey, y'all know I got my little sister here, man. Like my real little sis. Phoenix Firebird. I was gonna say she kind of messed it up because she the queen, and I was gonna really give her a grand entrance and shit and let her walk through. But she just, you know how y'all done Queens is. Y'all gonna make sure y'all put y'all stuff down. This song right here, I wrote this shit like right after that Trayvon Martin shit happened, right? And it's funny because after the Ferguson shit happened, I was like, damn, I need to drop this motherfucker right now. Y'all know what I'm saying? I called this one Revolution. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what time it is. It's revolution. Y'all know, fuck the Bible, because revelation ain't nothing but our revolution. You feel what I'm saying? Shit, and revolution consists of us shooting. Yeah, we gonna go loot some shit to get their attention. And after we get their attention, we gonna whack their ass. You feel what I'm saying? We gonna take some of these motherfucking crackers out. And we cannot be scared. You feel what I'm saying? Because scared motherfucker can't do shit for your ass but tell on your ass. Because he's scared. You feel what I'm saying? And if you scared, let us know you scared. Because we got another place for you. You feel what I'm saying? You ain't got to be on the front line with us. We front line soldiers. We say shit. Woo! That's like motherfuckers be like, nigga, what you gonna do? Nigga, you saying that shit and the goddamn police gonna come and get you. I say, nigga, what you gonna do when they come and get me? Nigga. Y'all ready? DJ, everybody say, go DJ, go DJ, go! Go DJ, go DJ, go! This shit right there, killing our goddamn babies down the streets every motherfucking day. Everything you niggas gonna say is, leave it in God's hands. Locked up in these fucking prison, motherfuckers, down by the goddamn fire.
You know his fuck ass gonna be up there in a minute.
This revolution, we got this revolution. We don't need you if you scared to die or scared to shoot it. We got this revolution, we got this revolution. Another Trayvon Martin, Jack Cracker, we robbing in the red. We got this revolution, we got this revolution. We got this revolution, we got this revolution. Cracker, we robbing in the red. Police ain't working like we ain't people. Clapping pistols and prepare for their propaganda and they pimping preachers. We lost my faith, pass your money, wait, I'm one of the non-believers. But all my brothers keeping some Trayvon Martin light up the meters. From north to south to east and west, ghetto stress a mess. Police have no respect for blood in my blood, fresh in my flesh. Ain't no denying, crackers wanna race ride, quiet every step. But I'm a real nigga, where my RBGs at? To me, hey, scared niggas play your part as that goon and nigga on BPC. Walk through this bloody Red Sea, call the ghetto streets, hey, Kush King, crown me, time to overthrow this redneck beat. Hey, fuck the alphabet boys, judge and the prosecutor, send to the front house, punishment, Jeffy's on the yellow, son of Bryce Sesson, God bless me. Revolution, nigga, this revolution. We don't need you if you scared to die or scared to shoot it. Nigga, this revolution, nigga, this revolution. Another Trayvon Martin, Jack Cracker, we robbing and looting. Nigga, this revolution, nigga, this revolution. We don't need you if you scared to die or scared to shoot it. Nigga, this revolution, nigga, this revolution. Another Trayvon Martin, Jack Cracker, we robbing and looting. Tookie Hoover, who true got plots to free but too long. Heart soldiers with motion, you wanna be the shooter. Revolution, every brand gangster. Beat said, I got an M1 and I stick a man. Dead press. It's the paparazzi. See the beside the top. Or you gon' hear them llamas. Scared money, can't make no money. Scared motherfucker, can't do shit. Fucking tail on the money right, purpose right. Fuck the hype. Hey, welcome to America. Bastards of the revolution. Yeah, we call them RBGs. Pastor wise by the pastor. Enemies, they DMT. Got a cocktail full of Hennessy.
I don't want to record no more. I want to chill. I said I got to record no more. I can just chill. No. I got a whole damn camera.
Revolution. Nigga, this revolution. We don't need you if you scared to die or scared to shoot it. Nigga, this revolution. Nigga, this revolution. Another train go on and I crack on. We robbing and looting. Nigga, this revolution. Nigga, this revolution. We don't need you if you scared to die or scared to shoot it. Nigga, this revolution. Nigga, this revolution. Another train go on and I crack on. We robbing and looting.
But you better side with this movement. Ain't no, you got the option. When a young black man and stand up and say this is what the agenda is, you back us 100%. Anybody that's not with us is against us.
And I feel for your way. Yeah.
I don't know. I think it's right.
Black power. Black power. Black power. Yeah. At the end, Big Bro said, he say,
Good to see you.
my elders, I love y'all.
Excuse me.
But if y'all do not side with the young black male when we say let's go, and if y'all are not down with us, I feel for your ass. Okay? Because we'll turn on y'all too. This shit is not about us. This shit is for the future of our babies. Y'all feel me? This shit ain't got nothing to do with us. Only thing we doing is laying a foundation so our babies can build on.
That's right.
But we cannot keep telling our babies, do not fight. We have to fight. These motherfuckers don't fear us. Y'all see these motherfuckers doing pranks in our goddamn hood. They don't respect. What the fuck? Pull up your pants. Fucking cracker walking to you trying to pull up your pants. Come and sit in your goddamn lap for a fucking prank. They don't even fear us no more. Y'all feel me? Black power. Black power. Black power. Once again, this shit is for the future of our babies, not us. This next one, man, I did this for Chad Butler. Pimp C. Y'all feel me? Man, that's my man. When my man got out of lockup, he fucked the whole game up. You feel me? The first thing he did, he started naming off books. Then I said, ooh shit, he learned some game. And then what the first thing he did when he got out, he unified all Texas artists. So off top he knew about unification. And then after that it was a cleansing period. He had to mash out all of the faggots. You feel me? Who really got on his ass was Russell Simmons. Because they ain't nobody in the hip hop business got more power than that Uncle Tom nigga. You feel what I'm saying? So when he started mashing their ass out, play Pimp, man. I ain't gonna talk to him.
When they lock that man, stick by your folks. If you got a couple of dollars, ain't but $10, man, put something on their books, please, man. Common saving is very necessary, man. If I learn anything from this trip that I just took, this concrete vacation, you know what I'm talking about? Hey, man, I've been to Penn State University, you know what I'm talking about? And I found out about the hearts of men. I found out who was really dying and who wasn't. And you know something else that's starting it? I found out that the black females are more real than the males, man.
Black power. Black power. Black power.
Harder than the men, man. The same women that we disrespect on every level of the game. So man, get yourself together and check out what you're doing, man. You know, we use language and we talk and we have fun on records. The records is wrestling, man. It's 80% wrestling. These fools is Hulk Hogan and the junkyard dog.
The black woman is God. Black power. Black power. Black power. And let me show y'all my guys. To get your fine ass. Y'all know what I'm talking about? I got shit to get out.
Black power.
Up high to get that energy. Y'all feel me? Already. The black woman is God. And black power. Black power. Black power. This shit right here, strictly for my motherfucking niggas. DJ, let's go.
Big Sam, let's take off. Let's go.
Stick 'em, stick 'em. Yeah, crack a dance, somebody get 'em. I'm in fluid fiddle. The dummies ass in the ditch. We won't be doing this too. Get there from my racist bitch. I've been round for time. Black seats on from the Congo. Nigga, come get me high. Please no seats in my herbal. I got my red neck and green on the screaming. Fuck you. You got the red, white, and blue on. I just don't trust you. Know what you want, Tookie Hoover. Rising your mind like a tumor. I've been sick when I speak. Cause you been listening to losers. I love mama. I sport the artifacts for Ferragamo. RBG is audition for niggas that hold their trauma. This Hollywood. That's what I got. It's clean. I wish you would. We take all of the big pussy fresh up out the hood. You can't on the phone with trailers on their road like we should. They can't stay from saying, but it's me, but they good. And I know it, and you need it, and can't get it, cause I got it, cause so good flow like the river, now you can't stop it. Back to 20, the jockey, more war, my soldiers got it. I see bastard, and see murder, boy, I'm body, we on the knees, praising God is queen. Please let me free so I can make these crackers leave. You know me, make the M16, speak to the enemies. Camouflage for freaks, people killers, call them RBG. I'm playing, but I ain't playing. Keep playing to make some friends. See the youngsters do the dirty, all these do the murder man dance. This is Oakland, from top 6, the hills, the chopping. See down this to Houston, ain't no losers, take these boys high. Get on time, line, it's going down. This is the home of the CBC, don't fuck around. On time, line, it's going down. This is the home of the CBC, don't fuck around. Southside bitch, lost talking G's and D, we strictly for my niggas. Here I come from hell, raising hell, strictly for my niggas. Street tribe, can't die, we ride, strictly for my niggas. No love on the other side, cause they ain't strictly for my niggas. It's going down. It's the home of them CBs, we don't fuck around. It's going down. It's the home of them CBs, we don't fuck around. Southside bitch, lost talking G's and D, we strictly for my niggas. Here I come down, raising hell, strictly for my niggas. Street tribe, can't die, we ride, strictly for my niggas. No love for the other side, cause they ain't strictly for my niggas. Strictly for my niggas. Strictly for my niggas. This shit is strictly for my niggas. Strictly for my niggas. That's that shit you rock out to. That's that shit you vent to. I was just venting on that motherfucker. I was hot.
Hey, that's spirit. That's life.
Y'all ready?
That's spirit.
Where we at? This shit right here, man. Is my Cali Lost RBGs in there?
Right here.
Where my Cali Lost RBGs at? Oh shit.
All right, Cali. All right, Cali.
Mind over mouth.
Mind over mouth.
Let's do this shit, Cali.
Yeah, that's mind over mouth.
RBG style. Y'all ready? Let's go.
Hey, long stop.
RBG, nigga. Hey, this big said motherfucking nigga, roll that weed up. Roll that weed up, nigga, roll that weed up. This big said motherfucking nigga, pull that drink up. Pull that drink up, nigga, pull that drink up. This big said motherfucking nigga, put your hands up. Put your hands up, nigga, put your hands up, cause this is lonesome. Lonesome. RBG, nigga, this is lonesome. Lonesome. RBG, nigga. This big said motherfucking nigga, put your hands up. All the niggas with no sandwiches are trying to gas me up. You scared the revolution is shooting. Don't the fuck with us. That's the man for the day, bro. Keep it. Try to cheat it. Create and start acting cheeky. Come to cheat it. One more dog in society. Make you breathe it. They don't like that easy. Breathe for completion. I stay dreaming. Reality, my team scheming. All these demons. Chasing green devil faces. Motherfuckers steaming. Monopolize blocks and plots. To get winning bitches' eyes. Propose. Hope for world. This is gangster living. No one keep my witness. God's my protection. Streets out of someone down. Never have me stressing. I got one confession. Tired of black folks oppression. Black president, but black problems you're not addressing. I see an insurrection from the black complexion. Another bottle turning violent and there's no protection. Big said, Mr. Tookie Hoover, black killer. Smoking yellow, make the right bitch call me Mr. Sugar A, great guy. y'all try to tell me something, but I've been listening to the money, nigga. Don't stop, don't stop. RBG, nigga. This is non-stop, non-stop. RBG, nigga. Hey, this beat said, motherfucker, nigga, roll that weed up. Roll that weed up, nigga, roll that weed up. Hey, this beat said, motherfucker, nigga, pull that drink up. Pull that drink up, nigga, pull that drink up. Hey, this beat said, motherfucker, nigga, put your hands up. Put your hands up, nigga, put your hands up. But this is non-stop, non-stop. RBG, stay with it. This is non-stop, non-stop. RBG, nigga. Yeah, 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 yeah. Welcome, motherfucker, welcome. Welcome, motherfucker, welcome.
Yeah.
Lost RBGs. Austin, Texas, lost RBGs in this motherfucker. Black power.
Black power.
Black power.
Black power.
Already. Y'all know the bar is open. You know my man, he got the bar open. $3 everything. Y'all feel what I'm saying? Y'all know, man, how we gonna do it. This shit is family, man. This shit ain't about making no profit. We just trying to make our money back. Y'all feel me? Just so we can keep it just like this. Y'all feel me? Shit. When any artist, any RBG artist do shit like this, man, we gotta support this shit. Y'all feel what I'm saying? We gotta support black-owned businesses. And sometimes, man, you really gotta go out your goddamn way. Because sometimes I do it. I ain't gonna lie, it's a spot that sometimes when I drive all the way across town just to go get a whole box of this brother Swishers. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you gotta do it. You gotta sacrifice this kind of shit. It's hard though. You know what I'm saying? But hey, fuck it. But on that